Hello beautiful people, my name is Kathleen and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you guys step by step how I create my thumbnail. As you guys can see, the software that I use is Photoshop. It's advanced, but it's what worked best for me. When you upload a video, click on the upload thumbnail and look for the size and resolution that the thumbnail requires. Then click on the image size and resolution. If you look right here, the resolution is 1280 times 720 with 640 pixels. Open a new file and write the same dimensions and leave everything as it is. The picture that I will be using for the thumbnail, I will get it from the same video I am uploading. In this case, I will go to iMovie. Once I get the picture, I will make it full screen. For MacBook, these are the keys. And for Windows, these are the keys. Once you save the image, it's ready to open on Photoshop. Once it's open, drag the image to the file you created before that has the thumbnail resolution. After fitting the image, as you can see, I am placing it in the way in order for me to fit the text later. Duplicate the image by right-click on the top of the layer, then filling the white space with the second image. Now, with the eraser tool, blend the layer and adjust the size of the brush to your preference. Now the layer below, to make it more realistic, I will use the blur filter, then click on the Gaussian blur and adjust it to your discretion. For the font, you can use any font, but today I will use this font that stands out for the thumbnail. Then with this tool, we are going to adjust the title font. Follow along with the video if you get lost. Now I will give color to the font by right-clicking on the layer blending options and play with the different options that works best for you. Now I will use the same colors by simply the green color so the thumbnail looks even color-wise. To do this, on the other layer, we will skip the entire process by copy and paste in the second font layer. Now, I'll give life to the thumbnail, in this case by selecting the breadfruit, and again, I'll go to the blending option and give the selection an outer glow. Now, to finalize the design, we are going to merge the layer. By merging the layers, this will help so the file doesn't take too much space. After we merge the layer, we save the image to the desktop. Before we upload the thumbnail, make sure your video is fully uploaded. Then click on the upload thumbnail. Simple as that, we are finished with the thumbnail design. So, thank you for watching, guys. Comment, like, and subscribe, and see you in the next video.